Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be one of the trip vlog. We suddenly planned a trip for Dandeli for 2 days. It was a Friday and we completed our classes till 2:20 and came back to PG and got ready for the trip. This is the first time in my entire life I packed my entire luggage for the trip in just 20 minutes. And then we quickly rushed into a bus to reach Majestic. We were all really very excited for the trip because this was the first trip that I am going with my classmates. We have been planning this trip since so many days, but because of so many reasons we had to cancel it. But today finally we are going on a trip for Dandeli. After having our dinner at the Majestic, we just went for the nearby shop to buy some snacks. But my friend couldn't even resist herself and she had all the snacks in front of the shop itself even before paying for it. After this, we just peacefully sat inside the bus for a while and we left Bengaluru around 10:30. After traveling for whole 8 hours, we reached Hubli. I understood that I'll be doing river rafting in just 6 to 8 hours. I was excited a lot, but even more, I was very much scared. I am that person who needs a morning breakfast as soon as I wake up. It might be 3 am, 4 am, 7 am, it doesn't even matter. It was around 6:30 and the sunrise was so beautiful and peaceful. After struggling to find breakfast for half an hour, I couldn't find any breakfast because it was too early. So I had this chips and cake in the morning. I know it is not a good habit, but still I was so hungry I couldn't even resist myself. I have a problem of motion sickness while I'm traveling in the bus. If I didn't have anything in the morning, I will not be able to travel. So I had to have something in the morning. So we took a local bus from Hubli to Dandeli. It was around 3.5 hour journey. There was so much rush in the bus and this journey was not less than a roller coaster ride. And finally we reached Dandeli around 10 o'clock and we all had our breakfast. And there was no local bus transportation from Dandeli bus stand to our resort, so we had to take an auto. While going itself, we understood that this place is gonna be very beautiful and heavenly. Finally, after traveling for 15 hours from our place, we reached our resort. Actually, we pre-booked our resort before 3 days itself, and once we were here, we completed all the mandatory work and then we entered inside the resort. And I never thought this place would be so beautiful. Everything was just so green and everything was so beautiful. I felt the best part of being here is that we will not be having the network for our phone. Whatever may be the reason, we will always be using our phones wherever we go. But I think this is the best opportunity to keep the full stop for using our phones, so that we can fully enjoy the nature around us. So I'll just give a quick tour of this Greenland resort till our room, so just enjoy the view of it. Literally, the rooms were located in between the trees. I think this is gonna be a wonderful experience to stay here. So here is a quick room tour. So this was the room that we booked for 4 members. There was a full-time Wi-Fi facility and we had a TV as well. And there was this cupboards to store our luggage. And they have even provided this mini fridge to store something. Once we were inside the room, we relaxed for a while and quickly got ready and we came out for our water activities. Before going for that, we had our lunch. So this is how I prepared my lunch thali. I started off with some salad and pickles. There was this Uttar Karnataka special jolad roti. And we had these 3 kind of palya to have along with the jolad roti. I took some papad and in the rice section we had jeera rice and white rice. So I took some jeera rice. And this is how my lunch thali looks like. I had this jolad roti with some salad, jeera rice, 3 types of curries. And yeah, this is how my thali looks like. Chaya, how is the food? Funny. I ended my lunch with this curd and sugar. Oh my god, the lunch was so amazing. Every dish was literally very tasty. After having our lunch, we decided to play this archery for a while. I never did all these things in my life. It was such a good experience. After this, it was time for us to go for water activities. Till our vehicle arrives, we just sat down there and my friends were playing with this dog. After coming here, we got to know that we have to pay extra for the transportation facility from here to the water activities. We had to travel for around 10 kilometers to reach Kali River. Once we reached here, we all wore our life jackets and got ready for the water activities. And the view of the river was literally amazing. And we were just 4 members and we had to do our river rafting with strangers because only 8 members were allowed to do river rafting at once. And once we were done with this activity called kayaking, finally it was time for river rafting. I was so scared and very excited as well.
Okay guys, hi Madi. Hi. You guys jump out fast. Jump out the akka idkoli. Jump out the akka idkoli. ಹೋಗಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್. ಹಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೈಸ್. ಚೇರ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಸ್. ಕಾಲಿ ಮೈಯಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ. ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಸ್. ಟೀ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೀ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಲೆಗ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಟು. ಪಾಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್, ಗೆಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಹಗ್ಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡಿ. Okay, get back, forward, fast. Faster guys, fast. Side ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲೆಗ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Forward. Fast ಮಾಡಿ guys, body synchronize ಮಾಡಿ. Forward, fast. Okay, stop. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ guys, hi ಮಾಡಿ. Hi. ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್? Super. Thank you. ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Okay guys, get down. Okay, get back, forward. Fast, buddy, get faster. Right. Forward, fast. Fast, buddy, fast. Okay, stop. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ guys, hi ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್? Super. Thank you.
How was your experience? Super. Hey, Chaya, how was your experience? Absolutely super fantastic. No words.
I'll be continuing this Dandeli travel vlog in the part 2, so stay tuned for part 2. If you guys like the video, please consider subscribing. It will motivate me a lot. So yeah, let's meet in the next vlog.